So our lesson today is multiply with 5 and 10, page 197. And I invite you to listen to this video first. Let's go.
Now,
How can you multiply with 5 and 10?
Hi there. Here's Pedro the prairie dog. Hey, did you know that prairie dogs live in underground tunnels called burrows? What do you suppose Pedro's up to? Looks like he's checking out these 6 holes. Each hole is an entrance into a burrow. Click Pedro to see how many prairie dogs live in each burrow. Pedro found that there are 10 prairie dogs that live in each of these 6 burrows. My, it must get pretty crowded in there when everyone is home. So, how many prairie dogs do you think are living here? How can we find out? Come along with me to see how we can do that.
How many strings does Marcel need in all for his toy banjos? Let's unlock this problem.
Yazan, can you read this one, please?
okay. Marcel is making 6 toys banjos. He needs 5 strings for each banjo. How many strings does he need in all?
How? Can you tell me?
Yeah,
What should we write? What should we
with
do?
multiplying.
Yeah.
Find 6
But we
multiplied
put
by
6
5.
times,
Marcel is
but
making
it's
6
5.
banjos. Each banjo has 5 strings. To find the total number of strings needed, we must find the product of 6 and 5. We can skip count by 5s until we see 6 numbers. 5 is the first number. Skip to the second number.
So what is the second number, Yazan? If you count by 5?
5.
No. Can you add 5 to 5?
Yeah.
What is the answer? 5 plus 5 is 10.
10 is the second number. Skip to the third number.
Then 15.
15 is the third number. Skip
Then
to the fourth number.
12.
what, Yazan? Yazan Atash? What is the next number? 20.
20 is the fourth number. Skip to the fifth number. 25 is the fifth number. Skip to the sixth and final number. 30 is the sixth number. This is the number we need because we were skip counting until we saw 6 numbers.
Yeah.
By skip counting, we found that the product of 6 and 5 is 30. So Marcel needs 30 strings total.
So we can count like 6 times of the number 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the answer is 30. And even you can use your hand. Each finger represents 5, number 5. So if you count on your fingers, let me go to Ali. Can you show me your 10 fingers?
Teacher, yes.
Okay. Can you count on each finger like 5?
Yeah.
Start with the first one and say 5.
5.
Then what's the next one?
10.
Yeah.
15.
15.
20.
20.
25.
Yeah.
And then 30.
30. Go on.
Yeah.
35. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and so on.
7.
Okay.
And
Thank
then
you.
7.
How many inches of string will Marcel use to make his banjo?
Like this one, Ibrahim
Let's
Hashim.
unlock this problem.
Ibrahim Hashim, can you read this one
Yes.
again? Marcel is making a toy. Can you read this one?
Okay, Marshall is making a toy banjo. He needs 5 strings for the banjo. Each string is 10 inches long. How many inches of string will Marshall use?
So what is your strategy to find the answer, Ibrahim? It's like the previous one, like the last example. So we're gonna multiply, okay?
Okay, we'll multiply.
Find the product of 5 and 10. Marcel needs 5 strings for the banjo. Each string is 10 inches long. To find the number of inches needed, we must find the product of 5 and 10. We can use a number line. We'll stop when we see 5 jumps. Start at 0 and jump to the first number, 10. Jump to the second number.
So what do you think about the second number, Abdurrahman?
What?
What is the next number? We count by 10 now. From 0 to 10 on the number line. If you count by 10, what is the next number to 10?
20.
Perfect.
20 is the second number. Jump to the third number.
If I jump to the third number, let me ask Osama, what is the third number?
13.
30.
30 is the third number. Jump to the fourth number.
Yazan.
It will be 40.
40 is the fourth number. Jump to the fifth and final number.
Yazan.
Easy is 50.
Perfect.
50 is the fifth number. This is the number we need because we have jumped 5 times. The numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 are multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are the products of 10 and another whole number. Notice that multiples of 10 always have a ones digit of 0. By using the number line, we found that the product of 5 and 10 is 50. So Marcel needs 50 inches of string.
So I'm gonna tell you a very important trick here. 5 times 10 is like 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 here, how many times? 5 times. 5 times. You know why? Because we multiply here by 5. Also, we can write it like 5 10 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I wrote 5 10 times. Both of them are right. So if you count 10 5 times, you will get 50. And if you count 5 10 times, the same answer will be 50. And we can reduce all of that by writing 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50.
How much did the packages of string cost in all? Let's unlock this problem.
So Marcel bought 3 packages of strings. Each package cost $10. How much did the packages cost in all? Ibrahim, do you know?
Yes.
Yes.
Its cost is 30. 30.
Yeah, perfect.
I
So,
already know 50.
yeah, your answer is right, but I'm asking you about the strategy. What are your
No, I'm
steps?
really smart.
What are your steps, Ibrahim?
3 times 10. 3 times 10 equals 30.
Find the product
Because, wait.
and 10. Marcel bought 3 packages of string. Each package cost 10 cents. To find the total cost, we must find the product of 3 and 10. We can use a bar model to find the total cost. Create a section for each of the 3 10-cent packages. Here's the first one. Click to create the second section. Here's the second section. Create the third section. Here's the third section. Now we have 3 sections, one for each of the packages. This bar represents the total cost of the packages. There are 3 units of 10 cents each. The total cost is 30 cents. The product of 3 and 10 is 30. So the packages of string cost 30 cents in all. Use the number line to find the product of 8 and 5. This number line already uses 5 for its scale. We can use the scale to help us make jumps of 5. Always start the first jump at 0. Where should the first jump land? Select the correct number on the number line. Then click Check.
Saleh? Saleh, I'm asking you here about the product of 8 times 5. Do you know? It's like 8 5 times or 5 8 times. You can count. It's better to count by 5.
Well, so why isn't better to count like by?
Can you show me your fingers, please? Yeah. 8 times 5. Show me 8 fingers. Only 8 fingers. 8. Count by 5. Start with 5, then go on.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
So what is the answer?
40.
40.
That's not it. The first jump should start at 0 and land at 5. This is a jump with a length of 5. How many total jumps of 5 need to be made? Select the answer. That's right. Because 8 is the number multiplying the 5, we need 8 jumps of 5. There are a total of 8 jumps of 5. What is the product of 8 and 5?
So
Type the answer and then click Check.
As you said, that's 40. Let's check it.
That's it. The final jump ended at 40. The product of 8 and 5 is 40.
Did you understand the method, Saleh?
Yeah.
So you can use your finger to multiply 5 by any number, or even to multiply 10 by any number. If I ask you, Saleh, 10 times 5, what is the answer? 10. 10 times 5. I'm asking you about 10 times 5. You can use your finger to count by 10 or to count by 5.
I'm done.
It's 50, yeah.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, now let's share this one with you.
Mister. Oh, no.
Yes, please, if you have notebook, try to write after me, to write Write some notes.
What is last class?
5 times 1. 5 times 2. 5 times 3. 5 times 4. 5 times 5. 5 times 9. And the last one, 5 times 10. Now I'm gonna ask you to tell me about the answer here.
I know.
Abdurrahman, what is the first one?
I already did the second one.
Abdurrahman, what is the first answer? 5 times 1.
Five.
Abdurrahman, are you there?
I want to do it.
Okay. Ali, what is the first one? 5 times 1.
Yes.
Where are you, Abdurrahman?
Yes, teacher.
Ali, what is the first answer? 5 times 1.
5.
Okay. Next,
Oh, me.
5 times 2.
5 times 2 is.
You can count by 5, 10. Just add 5 each time. Abdurrahman,
Yes.
what is 5 times 3?
5 times 3 equal. 5 times 3. What is it called?
You know, each time we must add 5.
So like it's
What is 5
Teacher,
times
20.
1?
Teacher, me.
Okay. What is 5 times 1?
5 times 1. Teacher, me.
5. What is 5 times 2?
10.
You know, 5 times 1 is like 5 one time. What is 5
Okay.
times 2 is like 5 plus 5.
Okay.
What is 5 times 3? Is like 5
15.
plus 5 plus 5. So each time we add 5. 15.
Teacher, this one me.
Yes,
Teacher.
yes, Ali. 5 times 4.
20.
20.
20.
Easy, we can count by 5. What is the next one? 5 times 5?
25.
25. What is 5
25.
times 6? 30.
30.
What is 5 times 7?
35.
35. What is the next one? 5 times 8?
It's 40.
40. What is 5 times 9?
45.
45. Then the last one, 5 times 10?
Fif-
50.
50.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
I think this is the easiest one ever.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna delete it and I'll ask you now. Okay. Usama, what is 5 times 3?
5 times 3 is 50.
Look at Yazan Atash. Perfect.
50.
Do you use multiplication table? Yeah, very good, Yazan. Thank you very much.
I have it too.
Yeah. So you have to revise the multiplication table from a page like this. I really like it. Thank you, Yazan.
But I have it with Arabic, not with the English.
You can find it on the internet in English.
Yes, my dad, my mom is find it in the internet and we talk it.
Okay, perfect. So Osama, tell me now, what is 5 times 3?
5 times 3 is 50.
15. There is a big difference between 15 and 50, Osama. Okay, Yazan Al-Ghamdi, what is 5 times 4?
5 times 4.
Yeah.
Equals
You can use your fingers. You can use your fingers. 20.
20.
Saleh, what is 5 times 6?
20. 30.
30. Yeah. Ryan, what is 5 times 2?
Uh,
Sure.
no.
Ryan, can you show me your fingers?
Okay.
Show me your fingers, please.
Okay.
Only two fingers. Only two fingers. Yeah. Can you count on each one like 5?
1, 2.
No. Each one represent 5. So the first finger is equal to 5. And the second finger is equal to 5. What if you add 5 to 5? 5 plus 5 is equal to what?
10.
10. So 5 times 2 is 10. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Abdurrahman,
Okay.
what is 5 times 7?
15. Wait, what?
Times 7. 5 times 7.
5 times 7 equal.
Use your 7 fingers and count.
Okay. 50. I mean 45.
Sure? Again.
Again.
Count again. Put 7 fingers and count by 5. Put 7 fingers, only 7.
I did. 40.
Again, Abdurrahman.
What?
Again.
I keep getting 40.
Can you show?
40.
Can you use your camera, please, Abdurrahman?
Okay.
Abdurrahman, show me 7 fingers. Yeah. Count on each one 5. Start with 5. Start with 5.
10,
Yeah.
20, 30,
Okay.
40.
Is
I
it?
mean-
Is it 40?
35.
35. And why do you count by 10? Just count by 5 again. So the answer is 35. Count again, please.
20,
No. Count 5, 10, 15, and so on.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Okay. 35. Thank you. Now I'm going to ask you, Ibrahim, what is 5 times 5?
What?
What is 5 times 5?
5 times 5 is okay. 5 is.
If you don't know, I will ask Spider-Man to hit you.
I know. 25.
So thank you, and thank you for. Okay, Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man in your hand.
I think.
What is in your?
Are you guys on a page, a different page in the
What is
math
in
book?
your hand? What is in your hand right now? I'm asking you about the Spider-Man.
No.
Show me what is in your hand.
Okay, wait.
You don't understand me. Okay, Ibrahim Abdul Hadi, what is 5 times 1?
5 times 1
Yeah.
is 5. Give me
Perfect.
with something more challenging.
What is 5 times 9?
5 times 0. 45.
Perfect. What is 5 times 0?
5 times 0. 0.
0. Can you tell me what is 5 times 11?
What?
5 times 11.
11? 55.
55. Perfect. Thank you very much. Now let's open the page in our book. This is page number 197. 197, and please write the answers. You can see the first page, 197. Usama, is it clear? 197.
197.
What do you need?
I don't need anything. I finish.
Okay.
Look.
So we studied these examples in the video. You have the whole multiplication table, isn't right?
From 1 until 12.
Okay.
Very easy.
What's a banjo?
Yes, Saleh, what did you say?
What's a banjo?
Okay, can you see this an instrument? Can you see this picture?
A banjo.
This picture. It's kind of a music instrument, okay?
Mister,
Yes.
in grade 1, I was do 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and I said 21 like this.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's revise table 10 together.
I want to sit 6, but I said 21.
21.
I want to sit 6, but I said 21.
Really funny. And this one, page 198. 198. Please write the answers.
I do it. All the answers.
Yeah.
I want to drink milk.
Milk? You have milk?
Mister, please go up.
It's page 198. Marcel bought 3 packages of strings. Each package cost 10 cents. How much did the package cost in all? So Saleh, you asked me about banjo. It's like this one. Can you see this one? This
Yeah.
picture? This is the strength of this musical instrument called banjo. Done?
No.
Not yet. Ali, you're writing?
Teacher, I can't see anything.
You can't see
Yes, yes.
anything?
But
Yeah.
Mister, no problem. Mister, no problem.
It's not clear? I'm gonna share it again.
Yeah.
Mister, please zoom.
Now is it
on
clear?
No.
It's not clear.
Mister, zoom on it and but zoom. Yes, like this.
Yes.
Ali, okay. Yes, Osama.
And you go down.
Okay.
A little bit. Yes, good.
No problem, Mister. No problem. I go down.
Teacher, I read all.
I didn't see Muhammad today. Yes, write it all.
It is not really clear.
Now it's
No
not clear.
problem.
Yes. Yes.
Mister, but zoom on it, it will be clear. Very clear.
Okay. Okay.
Good.
Okay. The engineer Yazan.
هذا الشيء قدامي وهذا الولد وهذا الطفل
Zoom. If you zoom, we will see. Possible and
that's the next page.
no, we don't finish.
Okay, hurry up.
Answer. Start. I can't see anything, but there's no problem. I can zoom it in my iPad.
Okay. Okay, now please just pay attention in this one. We wrote table 5 together. Now I'm gonna write table 10. Okay.
Let me picture.
Table 10.
I will see this.
Table 10. What's table 10 here? 10 times 1.
Very easy. Very easy.
What's 10 times 1?
10 times 1 equals 10.
What is 10 times 2?
2 equals 20. 10 times 2, 3 equals 30. Very easy. Mister, I can do it all. We don't, I will not cheat on it. Look.
The easiest one ever.
Easy, look, too easy.
Stop it.
12. 10 times 10.
Salih, what is 10 times 10?
100.
100. Yazan, what is 10 times 9?
10 times 9 equals 90.
90. Okay.
10 times
Yazan?
8.
Yazan Al-Ghamdi, what is 10 times 8?
80.
80. Okay. Ibrahim, what is 10 times 7?
17.
70. It's not 17.
16.
70, not 17. Usama, what is 10 times 6? 60.
60, not 16.
You know 16 is this one. This one is 16.
1 and 6.
Okay. Ali, what is 10 times 5?
50.
Ali, put it in your hand. 10. 10 plus 10
Abdurrahman?
plus
Yes, teacher.
What is 10 times 5?
Me? 10 times 5. 50.
It's 50.
50.
Teacher, it's very easy.
What is 10 times 4?
Who, me? 10.
What's 10 times 3?
13.
10 times 2?
It's 20.
10 times 1?
10.
What is 10? What is 10 times 0?
0.
10 times 0?
0.
0.
11 times 11.
0.
I'm gonna challenge you. I'm gonna challenge you.
Oh,
What if I multiply 10 by 15?
What?
My God. Last
What if I multiply 10?
150. I wanted to make
It's very easy. 150.
150. Right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you about a strategy. How many zeros here for 15 and 10? Only 1 0, right?
Yeah.
So
put the hard one.
write
Put the hard one.
write 1 0, then multiply 1 by 15.
Make challenge. Make challenge.
What if
Yeah.
multiply 10 by 25?
You know it.
25.
I know.
Yeah.
Easy. I will tell you.
125.
How many zeros?
Teacher, 125. 150. 125.
Only we have 1 0 here. Write it here. Then
Yeah.
multiply 1 by 25. You know 1 times any number is equal to the same number? 25. So the answer is 250. What if
I said
multiply
it.
10 times 100?
I know, it's very easy. 1,000. 1,000.
1,000, right? Because we have 2 zeros and 1 0. So there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 times 1 is 1. 1,000. Thank you now for listening and see you the next week. Have a nice weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.
I wish I could.
I miss you so much. Bye bye.